Hey guys, this is Josh Check here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our initial review of the Aolon watch curve. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here a new product from Aolon. This is their Aolon watch curve. It has long-lasting battery life for our heart rate monitoring, Bluetooth HD calling, IP68 waterproof, and 100 plus sports modes. So without further ado guys, let's see what's inside the box. So upon opening guys, so we have here the manual. This is the charging cable, wireless guys, magnetic charging. Here guys is the watch itself. Here it is. Let's turn it on. So we have here nothing on the left screen here, and so here it is guys, our Aolon watch curve. So as you can see, screen guys, it's really nice, and see the here it has this curved design. It has lots of watch faces guys, and we have here the features that we have. All right, and here are the features of the watch. We have here activity, sleep, heart rate, phone, exercise. So it has lots of sports mode guys. So you can choose this one: blood pressure, SpO2, stress, weather, messages, shutter, player, relaxation, AI voice, timer, alarm, stopwatch, cycle tracking, word clock, fine phone, calculator, and games. So it has also games guys. So if you want, then for the settings, so we have here display, vibrate and ring, and also the about and the app download. So you just have to scan this, and you can already use and sync this watch to your phone. All right, guys. So one thing that I like about this watch is that it's curved display. So as you can see here, is very nice here, the bezels. This one is really nice for teenagers or for young adults who want to have their first smartwatch with a good and a decent style. All right. So guys, let me know about your thoughts of this Aolon curve. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. And guys, if you're interested, you can just tap on the link in the description box and get yours. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you in our next video.